Afternoon everyone, is almost 1 o'clock here in Norwegian time. It's cold outside before to start to making lunch pack to my daughter because she's going to back to military base. So paki-subscribe and paki-like and share sa mga videos ko. Just follow me. So ito na guys, pina-fried ko na lang yung yung chicken. Wakas yung fried chicken natin. Chicken breast. And then i-cut ito into slices. Yan. Ganyan tayo magagawa sa kanyang lunch pack. So, set aside lang natin ito. Ang next natin gawin, mayroon tayong rice wrapper. So, isok lang natin sa water. Yung rice wrapper natin. Then, kumuha tayo ng plastic. Tayo ng plastic para ipack natin siya sa plastic. Ayan. Para hindi siya didikit. Ayan. And then, mayroon tayong, this is the paper to make it lighter. Ito lang guys, hindi natin masyadong isusok sa water yung rice wrapper dahil madaling mag-melting. So ito na siya guys. Ngayon natin i-dry. And this is it. Nakaano na sa plastic. Lagyan na natin siya ng vegetable. Meron tayong salad dito. Just a little bit lang guys. Of course, lagyan natin siya ng dressing. Okay. Buksan natin yung dressing natin. Kati tayo. And lagyan natin siya ng sauce. Little bit ng salad. Little bit salad. I-cook natin yung isa din para tuloy-tuloy ang gawa natin. Yeah? Not much. Ang lagyan natin ng chicken fried. Ito yung niya, lunch back guys. And this is it. With pepper. Lagyan natin little bit pepper. Of course, little bit salt. Yan. Kaunti lang guys para hindi siya. And ready to pack na natin. As you see. And then like that. And this is it. Pack. Ganyan lang siya. Yan. Yan. So, hindi nakasok ng masyado yung red pepper kaya ganyan. And then, ipack natin siya sa plastic to make it. Yan. So, ganyan siya guys. This is the yan. Ganyan na siya. So, then, pwede natin lagyan ng chicken sa ilalim. Yan. Para maganda tingnan at marami siyang chicken. Yan. Ito yan. Mayroon tayong big salad. Of course, mayroon tayong dressing. To make it yummy. Salt. Not much. Ayan, ipapack natin ulit. Marapa ulit. Lagyan natin dito. And then, i-wrap natin dyan guys. Napaka-simple na lunch sa anak ko na papunta siya na. Babalik na siya pag sa Bergen in Norway. Ang ganda niya guys. Yan. It's a beautiful day. Yan. Tingnan mo. And then ibalot natin siya sa plastic para hindi siya didikit. Yan. That is the loans of my daughter. So tuloy-tuloy lang paggawa. Ito na madali lang siya. Nakarap lang siyang ganyan. Ito yung chicken. And continue to wrap is like this. Ganyan lang siya guys. Diba? It's yummy. Yeah. My loans pack to my daughter. So this is get yummy. Isok mo lang yung rice wrapper sa just siphon and then i-wrap mo. That is I fry the chicken and then I cut it into slices and cut also the salad and the tomato and pack this one with the hamburger dressing. So this is it for food to my daughters. Thank you for watching. This is the rice wrapper, chicken fillet and vegetable. Guys, ang lunch back to my daughter. Yan yung anong lasa. Yummy.